go. When I say go. And go. Back
Buy something, I'll do it for you.
What's up, y'all? This week we got a 2022 Mustang Mach. It's in for some paint protection film, ceramic coating, and ceramic window tint. So we've already washed the car. Now we're going to apply the window film. It's getting ceramic around the sides and the back and the roof. And then once we get done with that, we're going to put the paint protection on, and then the guys are going to get going on the ceramic coating.
First, we got to prep the back window.
A shame, think something new under the sun. You can't take back some things you already done. No, you blame things that you do on somebody else. No, but they all see is you need help.
So you want me to talk?
What is that?
This is the ceramic roof we're going to do. About to lay it up there, heat shrink it, it's going to mold it to the form of the glass. That way when we install it, it lays down real nice and flat, customer won't have any issues.
Hoping that one day something gon' change. You waste all of your time covering up your tracks. Spend all your days running away. You gotta watch your back, and that's the facts. You spend so much of your life scheming and trying to get over. Got you wondering why you come around. All you get is cold shoulder. Yeah, you try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard.
What we got is a project right here.
Why am I sounding country?